My name is Bella. I am 29 years old. For the past 3 years, I have worked as a receptionist in a large company in Miami. And for 3 years, my boss, Mr. Ethan, has been too kind to me. Not in a bad way, not in a way anyone could point at, but still, too kind. And though kindness is not a crime, it unsettles me. Why does he treat you differently? Emily, my best friend and co-worker, asks me almost every morning as we sit side by side at our desks. I laugh it off. He doesn't. She smirks. Oh, he does. He never stops at my desk just to check my papers. He never tells me I am doing an excellent job for answering phones. I shake my head, pretending it doesn't matter. But deep down, I know she is right. For 2 years straight, I have wondered why. Sometimes the office empties and the lights buzz overhead, and I'm still at my desk. Emily stays with me because she knows I hate being here alone. But even then, Ethan appears, quiet, calm, carrying a stack of files. Bella, he says softly, placing them in front of me. Can you finish these before you leave? And I always say yes, though my body aches, though my mind begs for rest. I finish the work, I hand it back, I leave the office drained, walking home with Emily in silence. I should resign, I whisper one night, my voice low, as Emily and I ride the metro home. You won't, she replies. And she is right, because I have tried. I have applied to other companies, I have sent resumes, I have waited for calls, but nothing comes. Nobody is hiring. And Miami rent is ruthless, so I stay. Not because I want to, but because I have no choice. Why do you think he's like that with you? Emily asks one morning, sipping her coffee. I sigh. I don't know. Maybe he just trusts me. Maybe he sees me as reliable. Maybe it's something else, she interrupts, eyes narrowing. I roll my eyes. Don't start. But her words hang in the air. Because for 2 years, I've asked myself the same thing. Then one afternoon, everything shifts. The phone rings on my desk. It's his assistant. Mr. Ethan would like to see you in his office now. My pen drops from my hand. Emily's eyebrows shoot up. Well, what did I tell you? I swallow hard, unable to answer. And I walk down the long hallway, my steps echoing against the floor. His office is quiet, the windows glowing with late sunlight. He gestures for me to sit. My palms are damp as I take the chair. Bella, he begins, you are excellent at what you do. The words stop me. You are reliable. You are consistent. You are trusted. Each phrase feels heavier than the last. Then he says it. You deserve more, and I really like you. My breath catches. Emily's teasing flashes in my head. This is it, I think. But then Ethan continues. We are expanding to Brazil, he says. I blink. We need a manager there. My heart races. Someone I can trust. Someone who knows how we work. Someone who has proven herself. And then his eyes lock onto mine. Bella, I want you to lead that office. For a moment I cannot speak. Me? Leading an office in Brazil? I manage only a whisper. You want me to manage the new office? Yes, he replies firmly. You have earned it. You are ready. And just like that, everything I thought I knew dissolves. All the unease, all the questions, all the late nights. It wasn't what I feared. It wasn't what Emily teased. It was something bigger. It was recognition. It was trust. It was a chance to step out of the trap I thought I'd never escape. That evening, as I ride the metro home, I stare at my reflection in the window. The same tired face looks back at me. But I know she is not the same anymore. And after 3 years of doubt, in one moment, everything changed. I am no longer just a receptionist in Miami. I am the new manager in Brazil.